Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla Petrie and I'm here with another video. I did this really easy eye look. Unfortunately, the rest of the video did cut off, but I will let you know what products I did use. If you are interested in seeing how I got this look, stay tuned. Starting off with my chocolate brown eye pencil from Sephora, I'm just going to lightly fill in my brows. I'm going in with my soft matte foundation stick from MAC in the color NC44, and I'm just going to use that to clean up my brows, underneath my brows, and on top of my brows. Using my Urban Decay Primer Potion, I'm priming my eyelids and blending that out with my finger. Taking this warm brown shade from the palette, I'm going to use that as basically my all over eye color, eyeshadow. And I actually use that in the crease, and I'm also going to apply it on my lid. And I'm only using 2 colors for this look. Now going into this blue shade, I'm going to concentrate that in the inner portion of my eyes and just kind of blend the brown and the blue together. I'm priming my face with my Kaylashantalbeautyllc elixir. I'm just going to let that sit, and then I'm going to go back and forth and blend out those 2 shadows so everything is seamless. I'm moisturizing my face with my Belief Aqua Bomb, and a little bit goes a long way. I'm priming my skin with my Milk Hydra Grip Primer, and I actually really like this primer. I'm applying my eyelash glue by Callus, and I'm actually applying it near my lash line as well as on the lashes, and this really gives a better hold in my opinion. It really makes sure everything sticks and it'll last all night long. I'm taking my Laura Mercier powder and I'm just going to set everywhere when a concealer is a little too bright. I like to put it underneath my foundation, that way their lines aren't really harsh where you see the blending of the concealer and the foundation. This way I feel like it's really more seamless, and it's really hard to tell that you have something a little bright under your eye. And this is actually the NARS concealer in Caramel. Now I'm going into the NARS foundation in Morea, and I absolutely love this foundation. It's the perfect match for my skin, and it's really flawless. What I will say about it, if you are into a very matte look, this foundation is more of that soft matte, or even just like that natural glow. You're not going to get like a real hardcore matte look from this foundation. Like I mentioned before, this video doesn't really cover too much of the rest of my face. I'm going to show you which cream contour product I use, and then that will be all for this tutorial. I'm using a soft matte foundation stick from MAC, and this is the shade NW55. And I'm just going to use one of my brushes to blend that out. This makes it a little easier with the concealer because we did it first, and now I don't really have to worry about like really blending it too much. I can go back in with my brush that has my foundation color and blend it out that way. And I'm just making sure I'm going back and forth between each and just blending everything out so that there are no harsh lines. So here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.